channel, and today I'm going to take you to a tour. And nope, it's not a restaurant. I'm going to take you to a tour to a supermarket. But yeah, a supermarket. This supermarket I frequently talk about in my channel and frequently shop there. That's because I love K-drama, K-pop, literally Korean anything. So obviously I shop at a Korean supermarket. So this way I can buy the food that I see in the K-dramas or the Korean restaurants I eat in. And besides that, there's really a lot of option and variety in terms of ice cream, snacks, oh my god, instant noodles, it's unbelievable. So anyway, I have lots of fun shopping there, and I thought that you might like to see it as well for those who have no idea what H Mart is like. So I went to the one in New Jersey, Richmond, New Jersey, and it's quite big. That's why I like shopping there. But get this, I went there this weekend and they expanded it some more. So I took some videos and I didn't think it came out so great, so I went back on a weeknight to do this. So I hope you will enjoy it. I don't think it's the best, but I'm still learning. So I hope you will enjoy it. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead. Bye. Oh, and to say it in Korean, 안녕. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you H Mart, where I shop. I always like to shop at, and I hope you enjoy it. little adventure at H Mart, and it's actually my second day. I decided to come back to get extra snacks. So that's H Mart in New Jersey. Oh yeah, as you can see, it's not a lot of people at this time. This is like late in the evening. I figured that's the best time for me to go and actually film what's available at H Mart, so you can get a good idea. Bye!